How to transfer money from KOHO to bank. Need to move money from KOHO to your bank. Here's how to do it fast. Open your KOHO app and log in. On the home screen, tap Move Money or Transfer. Select Send to Bank Account. If it's your first time, you'll need to link your bank account. Just enter your account and transit numbers, or use the instant linking option if your bank supports it. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check your details, and tap Confirm. Transfers to linked bank accounts usually take 1-3 business days, but KOHO's instant transfer option can move it within minutes. Just note there may be a small fee. And that's it. Your funds will land in your bank, ready to use. If you need more information, please contact KOHO Customer Service. Customer Service will solve all your problems. Thanks for watching.